We're back with David Oberholzer. He is Director of Wireless Business Development at Fujitsu. David, we're going to hear next about your E-Band radio.
Very good. Well, our E-Band radio is the GX4000, and this is a new generation of millimeter wave radio products. And in a long history of millimeter wave systems, Fujitsu started back in 2010 with a clean sheet of paper and designed a new generation of radio core technology. The basic intellectual property has been patented by Fujitsu to bring this type of radio system to market. And the need was for the higher capacity mobile network backhaul and mobile network front haul systems that the market saw coming from 2010 looking forward through as 3G networks were starting to bring on higher rates of user traffic, as well as now the introduction of 4G, and now we're looking at 4G advanced and the 5G networks. So you needed to have a much more stable and higher capacity system that would have a low cost of ownership that mobile operators can build into their networks to bring up higher capacity in their backhaul.
And what differentiates this product?
There's a number of differentiators. One of the key is in the core technology. We've stepped away from a traditional modulation or QAM-based radio technology, and we've actually brought to market a patented impulse radio. So we don't use modulation in this radio. It's very straightforward, and there's a number of benefits to having this new impulse radio technology. First of all, is we have the lowest latency in this class of radio systems. So in a 70-80 gigahertz radio point-to-point radio system, we have some of the lowest latency available for network operators, and where that's most important is now what's on the coming of the front haul networks for mobile operators, where they're looking at CPRI links to develop their more advanced distributed RAN architectures, and this type of radio platform can support it. However, that also has benefits in the traditional backhaul networks as well, when operators are now starting to have multiple gigabytes of capacity demand closer to the edge of their network, sometimes in the middle mile, but sometimes right at the very edge. And what they've been able to do today with other systems, or the legacy E-band radios, is they'd have to put multiple radios at each of these sites to get gigabit and gigabit and gigabit. We have this now in a single, very compact, lowest power consumption in this class of radios with a 3 gig circuit. So it's a very advanced system.
And do you see an accelerating demand for wireless backhaul?
Absolutely, because everything we talk about today with new applications, with the more advanced smartphones, every new generation comes out, all it's doing is demanding more capacity from our mobile networks. Well, that has to be delivered to the edge of those networks through backhaul. So not just the fiber networks that Fujitsu is known for today and have the leadership positions, but also providing new tools like this that provide those service providers a new wireless link that when they just can't get fiber to a particular point in their network, now they have a new tool in their toolkit.
All right, great. And where can they go for more information?
Please visit our website at Fujitsu, and all this information is online, and our headquarters is in Richardson, Texas, and we're always glad to speak to customers there as well.
All right, it's good to talk to another Texan company. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.